Only me, no. Raman was only the guy.
So
You okay? Gasoline. The magnetic pump. No, actually, it's just a magnetic pump for fuse. So yeah, that's what. Actually, just engine. Diesel engine kailangan may magnetic fuse, magnetic pump. Kung gasoline kailangan wala yun. Kung naisipin ko ang magnetic totally na-efficient rin start. Kung gamay ang medyo ng magnetic fuse. Ang gusto ko but if you help your mentor the way over and over in this place, that's what I put there. The Englishman, then Raman and his partner was the one who making repair. Then Raman was he's the one who drives it for a test drive. Then his mentor, the technician, was so afraid of the way he drives. He's not afraid of the car, how expensive it is. What he cares is the speed.
Now, get that to college.
Yeah.
You must have remembered different types of stress. What are the types of stress that you can remember? Mention to us.
As I remember the tensile stress, the ultimate stress, the ultimate stress, shearing stress, and
the most important
stress?
Emotional stress.
Emotional. I remember the tensile stress, of course, the ultimate stress, shearing stress, and mid stress. I forgot.